Hello, my people. Anytime you see a woman like this crying, honestly, that thing will never end well. Go and mark what I'm telling you. A woman crying with pity. If you look at her face, you see she's helpless. And watch, God must surely fight for her. Watch the video and see how it ends. Thank you.
Ana kwara le na ali le chaka meta chufu manwa njo me na be wele teche maswa ne ha hu di amu ga no ma no he ni na me ma me ke mi mu me ha nwa afam akwa te call ga da kwa so gbali anu te ukure chaka ana ina semia hai abụda ndị okozi bụ gịnị ha na-ayị mmeri nwa mgbenye kwa dị n'ụkwụ ụkọ ọsọ m ọwụnyana ya ayị ọwụnyana ya ayị ọzọ m hụrụ ga ala senya isi ha ebute memutukwa abịa eme ma ama te keje kọ n'ala ọ ka ejebetere n'ala alụlile
many people knows about it. Because only document and I in the train. Okay. The Okpara for 21 years ago. Yes. So 2021 about yeah. So Chinedu Afam was about Okpara. Yeah, was about Okpara. So when the thing now that we teach I am Lagos that time. So man some my battalion the way Okisha do
Ulo agbama di ala fence.
Itula na agbara fence.
Onye gbara ya fence.
Chinedu dey gbara. Ko se me wo di mo no wo goro ke no gba fence. O na no gba fence. No ka ko se mi.
Onwere ha re n'ime de.
O we so so ekuba ga mu ga san we no so so mo na de ekuba azu achar me. Maybe land.
Yeah. We need to get down that fence.
To the land.
And return Mama's land to her.
Mayor power. Mayor power.
All the contact I need the bulldozer for that one. Bulldozer unless my excavator last house. The land of Shiriki. Of course now 2 plots of land.
One part on side Sabat. Along down Sabat.
Yeah, I'm buying after. Before Nigeria.
One place I do fence. After I had the shops in Igbo.
No woman, I don't worry about.
No, we don't.
Okay. They want their land, they be here now call. Also, I know no fence because you could make more around.
Because if the fence is still there.
Yes, that's the size.
Thank you, Mayor. Power.
Then I gave money invite Monday. My name is any man. I document it. Upon an email, my document. What I would not find more around. Oh, allergic. Yes. What I allergic about allergic. Mama?